Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable fingerprints or face recognition for Samsung Pass on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then we go down and tap on Samsung Pass. Next, you need to sign in to your Samsung Pass account. And in here, tap on the option key from the pop-up, tap on settings. In settings, tap on fingerprints or face recognition switch to turn it on or off. Now for face recognition, it said that face recognition requires a secondary authentication method such as a PIN or password and isn't supported in all apps. So it's not going to work on all apps, and you can see that for the Samsung Pass app, when we try to use it, it does not support face recognition and it's require you to use fingerprints. I guess the reason being is because face recognition won't be as secure as Samsung Pass, the fingerprint for Samsung Pass. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.